Hello. Past several 2 days, I was kind of like uh, unknown a fact about I have a audio recorder app which I was continuously using for the rest of the time for making this artifact episode, making all the artifact episode. Even it's just like most of the artifact episode is the audio artifact episode, which is recorded through the phone. I use an app named Audio Recorder. Okay, and that app is so good, so amazing, no ads, so amazing. Okay, and since I was lost my phone, and I am kind of like I don't know what to do, like how I record my artifact episode. Like I cannot record artifact episode in iPhone because iPhone doesn't have any so much space. It has almost like a 16 GB, and if I am recording audio or artifact episode on the iPhone, that the storage memory is completely full, and the Apple apps and everything, those are kind of like a bit really heavy in size. Like if I wanted to download a Facebook app, the Facebook app of the iOS is 285 MB, so it is kind of like a really big huge size. Okay. uh, and because of this, you cannot expand the memory of the iPhone, so basically I was stuck in 16 GB, so I cannot do record artifact episode in iPhone. Yeah, in some certain cases, if I don't have any other phone, so at that time I record the artifact episode. Let's just be understand how I did this thing. Like right now I record the artifact episode, whatever the device I did. Okay, I just need to upload it. I just need to upload that artifact episode in Google Drive. बाबा हे डॉग आलाय. हट 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 हट. बंद करा टाकी भरली. हो जेवला का? हो. हो. ये so I took the decision, a decision about the artifact episode. I am not quitting artifact episode. Yes. Actually, the process of the artifact episode. Okay, why? What is it? Okay, first of all, I lost my phone. Okay, several days ago. So right now I'm using iPhone. Okay, so iPhone is my primary phone, but I cannot record artifact episode from iPhone because of that storage issues and everything. Okay, so I am recording artifact episode from my mother's phone or whatever the phone I get. I record from that. Okay, why I am doing this? Okay, I already told you because of that ki I cannot record artifact episode through iPhone. Okay, another thing is that ki uh, the history of the artifact episode in 2018 I lost almost like 3 months of data of artifact episode. 3 months of data, almost like 100 or maybe 90 episodes I completely lost. Yes, I just record, yeah, but somehow some certain cases I didn't really copy, or I don't know what the situation happened on that day, but the data was completely lost. Artifact episode is bit really important to me. Okay, I am kind of like a recording all those things happened inside me, inside my life, inside a day. I record all those things. So that's why it's really important for me. Okay. Even if I didn't listen this artifact episode, but somehow I know in particular day of time, particular day of my life, I will listen those artifact episode. Okay. So that's why it has value. Artifact episode, yani today the value of the artifact episode is nothing. Okay, but after almost like a 10 years or 20 years, the artifact episode is became really treasure. Okay, so that's why it's really important. Try to understand the gravity of that thing. So I create some process. So how I do that, maybe I'm not saying is that this is kind of like a did, but yeah, what is this? Like right now I am using another phone, another person phone for recording artifact episode. Okay, so most probably this phone, like this other phone, is not completely 100% with me. Somehow my mother went away, somehow my mother went away to another city or whatever it is. Okay, so I don't have any phone. So how I do that? So for that thing, whenever I record the artifact episode, I need to upload that artifact episode on the Google Drive. Okay, whatever the Google Drive, like I am mother's Google Drive I have. Okay, so I uploaded. Share this link to me. Share this WhatsApp link or email address to me, so I can download it and then I delete it. But it's kind of like a bit really kind of like a lengthy process. You know this thing, yeah. Because of that, you need to upload that. So that's why you need a internet. Somehow internet get really laggy. So how do you manage all those things? What if you just record some of the phones and just transfer the data? Like, yeah, I can do. I don't know. Yeah, it just like this is kind of like a being really solution. Yeah, somehow. What is a permanent solution for that? I need a recorder. Yeah, I cannot record in the cell phone. I need a recorder. Yeah, like a Zoom recorder. Yeah, so I can record everything. Okay, in really higher format, and it is always with me. And this is most probably meant for the artifact episode. So this is the permanent solution. But you cannot say something like that. Because of that, the only device I have which is always with me, and that is a cell phone. Okay, you cannot sure that that Zoom recorder is always with you. If you gone somewhere, like if you gone for the trip or if you gone for the shooting, how do you think that recorder is always with you? It's not, na. So that's why the cell phone is whatever. Yeah, just don't get too much attached with this. How do you do that? It just important thing is that you just need to record, okay, and just take all those data. Okay, all right, yeah. And you have your mother's phone, so yeah, it is always with you, na. So why do you get so tense? And where are you going right now? Yeah. And just like after almost like a, yeah, I lost my phone, so I will buy next phone almost like after 6 or 7 months, but not right now. Okay, like in this big billion day, I will buy, definitely buy some of the new phone. But right now, I just need to manage with the iPhone. Why do you think like why you cannot use iPhone for primary phone? Well, there's a problem. Yeah, I'm not saying is that iPhone is not good. iPhone is very good for very amazing person, but not for me. Why? Because of that, the way of uses of my phone is kind of like a bit really rough. Like I need a VPN, I need a torrent, I need a unrestricted sites, I need I need crack softwares. I download heavy size software or videos or movies. Sometimes I upload that too. Okay, so all those things you cannot do in an iPhone. Yeah, basically is that if you wanted to update your iPhone, you need a Wi-Fi. If you wanted to upload a video more than 1.2 GB or 2 GB, more than 2 GB, you need a Wi-Fi. Okay. Uh, there are so many things like you cannot use VPN. Yeah, VPN is also available for the iPhone, but those are kind of like a paid version. You cannot use crack version on this iPhone. Okay. Also is that uh, I have iPhone, yeah, iPhone 6s, which is a really big problem is that the battery. Yeah, the batteries drain so quickly, so fast. Yeah, it's just like I cannot use that iPhone almost like a 6 or 7 hours. Ille, yes. Like most of the Android phone, they are kind of like a big battery package. Like like updated iPhone like iPhone 12 or iPhone 10, those are kind of like a really good with the hardware specification. But right now I have iPhone 6s, which is very less battery. Okay, almost like a 1500 mAh battery, which is really hard to deal with the whole day. So, and if I wanted to use some heavy work like record some of the videos and everything, I cannot do that. Yeah, it just lasts long for me, almost like 4 hours. Yeah, so that's why I buy power bank today. Okay, pocket power bank. So maybe it will help me for it's just like I don't want to buy another phone right now. Because of that I don't have that money. And also right now the phone is bit really pricey, so I am kind of like waiting for the big billion day. If the big billion day comes, the big billion day come in Diwali, like September or October maybe. So at that time I will buy a good cell phone like a OnePlus or maybe Samsung, whatever, but I will buy that phone. But till now I need to manage with the iPhone. Okay, so yes, I'm not criticizing iPhone, I'm just criticizing that key iPhone is not meant for me. Yeah, so that's why. Okay, because I need a kind of like a big heavy space, like I need almost like a 128 GB storage capacity, almost like a 6 GB of RAM, minimum 12 megapixel. If you get 18 or 20 megapixel it will be really good. I need a 4K with 60 fps. Okay, also with the battery package I required almost like a, if I get 10 hours of battery backup it is bit really comfortable for me. But most of the Android phone are so good, they have battery backup almost like a 48 hours or more than that, so it is even better. Okay, uh and that's it. Yes, then rest of the thing is kind of like a bit really minimal, that I need a VPN, so I get VPN from crack version. uh, then I get a Filmic Pro is the crack version for recording some of the videos in cell phone. So yes, Filmic Pro is good. So yeah, all those things, so that's why I need Android phone. Okay, so so what is today's happened? Okay, today the productivity of the today is so low. Nothing. Yeah, I did nothing today. Yeah, I just, if I say the productivity of the today is nothing. Like I wake up today almost like a 10 a.m. Can you? I promise yesterday that I will wake up today at 7 a.m. But today I wake up at 10 a.m. So it is not good. I don't know, but sometime I don't know. Somehow I just feel really weakness in the morning. That is because of that. That's why I wake up so late. But right now I feel good. So today is a Monday, and that is the most important day for me. Because of that, I need to activate my SIM card and exchange my jeans, which I was buy almost like before before I was going to the Jaipur. I buy some of the dresses, and that jeans, the some of the dress, the jeans is not really fit. It's kind of like a undersize, so I need to exchange, but I don't have that time to exchange. So I asked my father that could you change that jeans, but he never did. So that's why today I have to exchange my jeans, and I did it. Okay, also I activate my SIM card, but today it just activate the phone calls, not activated SMS service. And the SMS service is so important to me. Because of that, most of the social media requires two-factor authentication, like you know your username password, you put it on it, and the social media requires another authentication from your cell phone, like they send OTP number to your cell phone. Okay, and you need to put that OTP, send OTP to the to that social media, and then it will be activated. So it will be two-factor authentication once you will be signing for the username and password. And another thing is that key OTP. And all the social media like Google, YouTube, like most of the Google yeah, I use Google products like YouTube, Google Doc, Google Sheet, YouTube Music, then WhatsApp, then Facebook. Yeah, I activated the Facebook, it doesn't require anything. But Instagram requires two-factor authentication. Yes, so this is the problem. And also another apps like a Phone Pay, Google Pay, Bheem UPI, Paytm. Those are also important. Like if I went to go there and just like buy something, I need to scan the QR code and pay directly through the bank account. So it will be really good. So I don't need to worry about the cash. So that's why I need SMS service, and that SMS service will be activated tomorrow, uh, maybe 3 p.m. or after 3 p.m. or 2 p.m. maybe. Yes. So she says that the person I talked to today, she says that he requires 24 hours to fully activate the SMS service and everything. But yeah, another thing is that WhatsApp is so important. Why? Because of that, most of the updates regarding my project, regarding my shoots, regarding my team, and everything. Also, my contact is in WhatsApp. So, if I don't have my WhatsApp, I cannot do anything. I cannot communicate with the people. I cannot communicate with the team. What is exactly happening? Like last 4 days, I was kind of like a unknown. What is exactly happened? Priya ma'am says that she want to do edit or no. I don't know. It just like I just completely lost control. I just completely didn't know nothing about because of this WhatsApp. So yeah, tomorrow all these social apps and banking apps, all these apps will be activated. So yes. But one thing I'm gonna tell you is that I was so depressed. I'm not saying depressed, but I don't know. It's just like I wanted to be start editing, but I cannot do that. Somehow it just like quickly distracted. Like uh, yesterday, I was so distracted about the phone, like when it will be activated. I was trying to finding different ways to activate my social media's handle, but I cannot do that. Are you obsessed with the social media? No, I am not obsessed with the social media. I want social media, but I was kind of like a bitterly controlled. Like I was telling all those things with an example. Okay, like I like ice cream. I addicted with the ice cream, but I eat it that slowly so I can enjoy it properly. I cannot eat dhar 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 and just like no. Like just an Instagram. I want Instagram to use a Instagram for less period of time that I want it. Like uh, if you are not using Instagram too much, yeah, but suddenly you just lost your Instagram, and that is literally so hard thing for you, and you cannot do your work, you cannot understand properly like what is exactly happened. Okay, so it is kind of like a something feels really empty or something feels like that ki dude, what is exactly happened. So your mind is stuck on that. Try to understand what I'm trying to say is that ki if you don't understand, yeah, I just don't need to explain so much about this thing. You clearly understand. You need a little bit of Instagram, but if you don't have that Instagram, your mind is stuck on the Instagram, that why I cannot have that Instagram. How many time I use Instagram. Instagram. So yes, but let me tell you, sorry, just tell me one thing, why you didn't work today. Like why do you waste your complete day? uh it's just like I don't know, yaar. Yeah, it just I was, I don't know, I was feel really I just literally lazy. Yeah, I just blame myself completely 100% that I didn't really do my work because of my laziness, and that is the only one factor I know. Yeah, but it's just like if you are wasting a complete day. Okay, when will you complete your editing? Like suicide hack, when will you complete that edit? Okay, after that you need to be make another short film about the caller tune, sorry, customer care. Okay, it's kind of like a 5 or 10 minute short film. So when do you work on that? Like if you are continuously doing such a lazy work, how do you think like that you can make, like, if you wanted your life even better, if you wanted your life like much better, you need to be start working today. Like like the guy named, the YouTuber name, MKBHD. Okay, I didn't know what is the full name of that, but most of the people um, known by MKBHD, that guy is a mobile reviewer. He reviews mobile and everything. Okay, so he started that mobile reviewing thing almost like a decade ago. Yeah, and there are so many people are reviewing so many people are doing the same thing, like a pocket my pocket's phone, or it just yeah, I just like, I known that that guy from that particular era. He was kind of like doing that thing. Okay, and right now everyone is lost, everyone is gone away, and there is a only guy who is continuously doing this, and he was right now doing it. That I just literally hats off. Yeah, like he has that money, he has that so many things, like MKBHD is literally popular, he has money. Why he always make video about the technical things and everything? He, if he didn't get if uh, like he will get bored by all those things, doing the same thing again and again. Yeah, he will be get really bored. But trust me, it's just like, if you wanted to be continue in yourself, you need to keep doing your work. Okay, sometimes it feels bit really bored, but you have to do it. That is the only way. Okay, sometimes you don't need to be pushed too much hard, you need to be just like push. That's it, that is the most important. Okay, like if you are constantly pushing yourself, you don't need to be pushed always too hard to yourself. Like in the film and cinema, you need to push so hard for the making that film. After you complete the film, you are bit really lazy. Like right now I am, like when I was in Jaipur, I was continuously on the shoot, edit. I was so obsessed by the work and everything. Right now I came here and I was bitterly lazy, I cannot do my edit. Okay, so this is kind of like a thing. But YouTubers, those are the people, they are not pushing themselves so hard, they just kind of like just pushing, that's it. Okay, they just wanted to be part of that flow, they just wanted to be make the content continuously. That is the thing, that is the only thing. Like Sam Coulter, he doesn't upload so many videos constantly, yes, but he push himself, like whatever the video he make, he push himself so hard that he makes a one video, and he don't need to be like he just literally relax after almost like a 3 years, like a 3 or 4 months or 6 months, he don't need to do anything. Okay, and besides that, he has so many ways of earning money. Like he earn Colder Creative Film School, so which the most of the people came, and he teaches all those things. Okay, so yes. just too much. So this is it. This is the end. This is the my artifact episode number 2200 2302. Right now we are at Wardha, Maharashtra. Thank you.